Alright guys, we're saying goodbye after 5 years. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So in this episode, I want to talk about the build and kind of like behind the scenes, what's really going on with the build. And basically, as you guys notice, I wear a lot of layers while working on this build, and it's summertime, or now it's fall time, and the episodes that I released last week was pretty much from 8 months ago, and springtime. And so I got to work on the car. Then I had to buy myself a van, this one right here, but I can't drive a yellow banana, so then I had to. You got the point. That takes time. And after that, I decided to move. And so, if you guys are wondering, did I quit the build? Am I gonna quit the build? No. The answer to that question is no. The story behind the oil pump issue, right? The idea was to use an external oil pump. But after looking into it and looking at the prices, I figured it's probably not a good idea because I'm not really familiar with engines, and so I didn't want to work on it or spend that much money on an oil pump that is, I mean, it's cheaper to just go get a different car, pull the engine out of it, and call it good. Just kind of restart the build instead of trying to make it work when you know you can just go get a different block. So that's the idea for this episode. We're just gonna go get a different car, scrap the last one, restart, and move on. Alright, this is what we got, a Audi A4. And so the plan is to remove this engine once again. So here we have the AEB code, the one that I actually need, not the AWP that I had. And so what we're going to do is we're going to just take this thing out just like we did with the other one and move on. So we got the Audi in the garage, we moved the Porsche out for a little bit, and so we're gonna have to repeat the same thing we did with the Jetta. And if you guys seen the first video, or the first video, then same thing except much faster. So let's get to it. of this car, I need to pull all of the electronics, the wiring, the computers, anything that goes with the engine, and lights, dash, cluster. We're gonna take everything and swap it over to the 944. So I'm gonna start off by taking apart the interior and removing the dash and labeling every single wire with a little bit of duct tape and a Sharpie. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Took the dash off, all the center console, and now we're just labeling all the wires like this right here, clock spring. And so we're gonna have to rip the carpet out next and continue taking it apart. So I got the whole harness disconnected from everywhere. Mostly got it all labeled, and for the most part we will be cutting out a lot of it that we don't need, like airbags and all these sensors, like for back doors and all that stuff. But other than that, all the wiring is pretty much ready to pull out. So day has come, we are moving. It's like almost midnight. Got everything loaded up and off to a new place.